Yes. Me again.
Yeah.
And I'm back.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I got these long, beautiful goddess locks over my natural locks. So if you want to learn how to achieve this style, just continue watching the video. So for this last goddess lock, I actually used yarn for my base because I was running out of marley hair. And you know, you mainly need the marley hair to wrap so it actually looks like a lock. So yeah, you're just gonna start it off as if you were gonna do like a regular box braid and just continue braiding. So I'm going to braid halfway through the lock so that I have enough space to add in my curly hair. So it might be a little hard to see, but I'm just gonna slip in the curly hair and I'm going to start braiding as if I'm doing feed-in braids. And the reason why I start from the middle of the lock is so that it can go in smoothly and it's not bumpy or anything like that once I start wrapping. I continue to braid past the lock so that I know for sure the curly hair and everything is all secure. Here I'm just showing you how I connect the marley hair to the base of the braid. I'm basically just going to start it as if I'm going to do a braid, only I take one strand and I'm going to wrap it, and then I'm going to take the second strand and I'm going to wrap it in the opposite direction. So here I am doing what I was just explaining earlier, taking that first strand and wrapping it around the base, and the second strand and wrapping it in the opposite direction. So this strand will be the strand that I'll be wrapping around the braid and that first strand of marley hair. So once I run out of that second strand, I'm just gonna take that first strand and just continue wrapping in the same direction that I was just wrapping to continue my goddess lock. Once I'm fully finished wrapping the marley hair, I'm just going to cut that excess yarn, and voila, the goddess lock is finished. For this particular look, although it was my first time doing it, I wanted more curly hair than lock. I know most people, they have more lock than curly hair, but you know, it's all up to you and what you want to do.